In this video, we will be cutting out the pieces for the Oliver Cat Pocket Pal Cut and Sew. So we'll start with the simplest of the shapes, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut along that outer line. I've made it in a contrast color so that you can kind of see it a little bit better. And I'm just going to take a pair of sharp scissors and just cut off that outer line of stitches. You want to stay as close to that outer line as possible, so that the shape is right, so that it will line up with the other shapes. You notice that my scissors that I have, they're pretty sharp, with a pretty fine tip on them. I find that those are probably the easiest to use to cut these small shapes with. And this piece has a backing material on it. Working towards phasing the backing material out, but your kit may have it. If it does have the backing material, that is a recycled 100% cotton stabilizer. So it is not a poly. So when I take this next shape, I'm going to go to the fish next, because it is also a simple shape, moving up just a little bit from this sort of basic circle. And I'm just going to cut off that outer line of stitches. You'll notice that my scissors are staying pretty straight, and I'm moving the fabric. So the felt is moving, but the scissors are pretty much staying straight ahead, and I find that that helps with precision. Cutting shapes precisely is really an important part of learning how to sew. But this is a step that, depending on the age of the person making the project or skill level, may need a little adult assistance. I'm going to go ahead and cut out this fish piece. You should have 2 of the felt orange fish and 2 of the felt yellow fish in this kit. And this is a beautiful felt. The felt that's in this kit is a natural, organic, plant-dyed felt. So the color is a bit variated. It's really nice, and they're very soft. Now we'll start cutting out the cat pieces. I like to start with the back piece. And I like to cut the pieces in half so that you're only dealing with one shape at a time. It's just easier to be more precise that way. You'll notice I'm cutting along kind of close to the cat because the space between those two, you can actually use this felt material and this fabric. This is actually the woven wool fabric, but you can actually use these small pieces for other things. We've made fairy house clothes, and you can cut them into really small pieces and string them with little glass beads to make bracelets or bookmarks. So even those tiny pieces can have a fun use. Go ahead and keep cutting around the outer edge, just taking that line of stitches off. Trying to be precise in my cuts. That inner line of stitches will be important as a guideline, so you don't want to cut those off, just the outer line. I made the outer line an orange or brighter color so that you can see it a little bit better. And there we have it, all pieces cut out and ready to sew together.